We're gonna start off with the headlights, marker lights. We're gonna work our way around from this side to the other side. We seem to be good on the right side. Okay. Left lights working, marker lights. Turn work. Wait a minute. Oh man, they done got your boy. Oh, they done got your boy. They done got your boy.
If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert sky. I could be the...
Hey, what it do, YouTube family? HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, and we back in this mother sucker, man. As you know, on the last vlog, we dropped off in Grimes, Iowa. But today, we picking up in Guthrie Center, Iowa, and we dropping off in SEYMOUR, Indiana. Ride with your boy. Don't be scared, man. Wait a minute. Oh, man, they done got your boy. Oh, they done got your boy. Ain't that better? It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Yeah, YouTube family, they got your boy. Good thing with the truck stop. We heard the truck stop in Urbandale, Iowa at the Pilot Travel Center. So we gonna fill up on a reefer fluid before we leave. We will need that. We picking up some eggs, man. So we gonna need that, baby. I have to go on this truck stop real fast, get my coffee, give me some breakfast, and we gonna make it do what it do, baby. Yes, sir. I say you still here, huh? Ah, okay. Fit for the day. Fit for the day. All right, family, it's currently 5:00 a.m. Today is Tuesday, I want to say. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. 5:00 a.m. Today is the 8th. About to get ready to pick up this load, baby. So let's roll. Hey, how's it going? Gotta pick up your number you need.
Doesn't go on your feet in case you have to get out.
Okay, okay.
I need to see your ID.
Yes, sir.
You got two there?
Yeah, you gave me 2 of them.
2?
Yeah.
You got bags?
Yes, sir. He's going on my feet just in case I had to get out, y'all. Shoe game crazy. Thank you.
Your phone number?
901.
Huh?
901.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm not from here. 618.
72 hours, have you been around any live birds?
No.
Been traveled out of the USA?
I've never even been out of the USA.
Huh?
I've never even been out of the States.
The biosecurity letter, you need you fill out the bottom portion.
Okay. Yep.
Hey, you're here?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna open the gate. It's gonna spray your whole truck, so make sure your windows are up.
Okay.
Right? You're gonna go all the way down where you see that window down there, the light in the window.
Yes, sir.
Veer off a little bit to the left.
Okay.
And if they don't come out within 5-10 minutes, put your booties on. There's an office right here. Go up the steps to the window, and they'll see you in there. They'll talk to you and tell you what dock to pull into.
All right. Thank you.
Hey, all right.
Okay. All right. To this window right here. He said they supposed to be out in about 5 or 10 minutes or so, and if not, then put my little shoes on, my little yellow shoes they gave me, my Air Force Ones, my Jordans on, and go up the steps or whatever and holler at them. So
a few moments later.
Hey, the guard said got called these booties. So he said they don't come out in about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna have to put these on and go holler at them. So look like it's been 6 minutes, man. I'm trying to give them benefit of the doubt. 6 minutes, you know what I'm saying? But hey, look like I'm the first one here, man. So I'm just trying to get first come, first serve. I heard it was like first come, first serve, man. So I think I'm finna go ahead and put these things on, man. And we're gonna go ahead and go up in here, baby. Let's go. Jay's on my feet. So get like me. All right, y'all, let's run up in here, y'all, and see what kind of information we can find out. Got our booties on. Got our booties on. I hope I'm going in the right door. Said go up the steps and go to the window. So it look like steps in the window. We're going here. How you doing? Good morning. I'm here to get loaded. I picking up. Checked in at the guard shack. He told me what number I got. I got a 3 number, and I got a 1 number. Which one you need? Got 313-904. That's 1 number.
Where you
Going
going
to SEYMOUR, Indiana. And he told me to sit there and wait for about 5 minutes or so. If somebody come out. You don't open till 7?
That load's not going to be ready until probably
Noon?
Yep.
Okay, is it anywhere I can?
Sit over there, come get you when you're ready for it.
All right, thank you. The load ain't gonna be ready till noon, y'all. So it looks like I'm early as shit. I'm early as shit. It's about, I don't know, it's probably about 6 something. About 6:20. Load ain't gonna be ready till noon. He said he gonna come get me when they ready for me. And I ain't gonna lie, man, dude kinda seemed like he woke up on the wrong side of the bed this morning also. But it's all good though. I ain't wake up on the wrong side. Look, we over here just sitting, we chilling. That's where we gonna be at. Get back with y'all later, baby. 3 hours later, guys, and nobody still came and got me. 3 hours later, and nobody has still came and got me, man. What we looking like out here? Office is over there. Load assignment said I have between 6 a.m. and 12 to pick it up, which is when he said that the load will be ready. But that's just the load being ready. I still gotta get loaded. And I've read the reviews. I'm the type where if I'm going somewhere for the first time, I read the reviews, right? And when I say, man, 95% of the reviews I read was negative, man, Don't say I'm having a bad experience so far. I mean, I am early, and then it did say that I have between 6 and 12. But we gonna see, man. Just want to update y'all, man. Let y'all know, man, your boy still waiting, man. Your boy still waiting, man. So once we get, you know, a word here and we get a doctor, we'll check back in with y'all, baby. Peace.
2 hours later.
All right, y'all, we finally got this dock door. Gonna get out here and open these doors and we gonna park, baby. Gonna be able to record enough for y'all today because it's so muddy out here. I ain't got nowhere to put my camera at, but I'm gonna let y'all see me bag this thing in, though. This is all I can do for y'all. Up to the dock finally. Took them about 4.5 hours to call me for my dock after I got here. Hopefully it don't take them too long to unload. To load me up. Took a little minute to get in, man, because we had to fight against that tractor there. We in, and you know, we hoping to get on out of here, baby. Be back with y'all a little later on, man, when they done got done. It's so fucked up out here, boy. It don't make no sense. You need anything else from me? Okay, I got one number I got is 313-904. And I got one that's 138-1608. Alright, thank you. Just how will I know it's done? Okay, and did you want me to pre-cool it or anything? 35. And I got the doors open. Alright, thank you. Alright, y'all. So yeah, we good and checked in for sure. I just oh no, I ain't feel right, you know what I'm saying? I just knew I had to go back and talk to him and ask him something. But I'm gonna hop back in this truck, man, get out this fucked up ass yard, man. This yard nasty, man. This yard nasty. I got these on though. Y'all fucked up, man. See y'all later.
3 hours later.
We all loaded up. Time to secure the bag. Oh, so lead clips. Time it is, man. Time to get some fuel. We don't need no but diesel this time. We don't need no deal for none of this. We might need a reefer. Yeah, I'm gonna just top my reefer fuel out. No cash in van, baby. You know, we don't play that shit. We don't do no cash in van. HandsomeMothaTRUCKAs. Hey, we done reached our destination out here in SEYMOUR, Indiana. We just dropped our load off, picking up an empty at the moment, and we just going around, just pre-tripping the trailer, making sure everything good. And hey man, gonna get us some sleep, see what tomorrow gonna bring. Once again, I want to appreciate everybody for riding with your boy. I want to give a special shout out to all my new subscribers, all my new viewers. You know what I'm saying? Everybody who been riding with your boy. Hey man, until next time, peace.